Hello guys, my name is Ravikant Sharma and welcome to your channel Speak Easy India. Today we are going to do linking words. So what are linking words? Linking words are those words who are used to connect so many sentences. Let's start the video. There are so many linking words, those who are really used to connect so many words. Let me tell you what are the linking words, which kind of the linking words are. So first is and, also, in addition, furthermore, but, however, although, because, so, therefore, first, then, finally, for example, for instance, in conclusion, or for example, for instance, such as, namely, to illustrate, in conclusion, therefore, in brief, all the whole, first, second, next, then, finally, meanwhile, before, after. There are so many types of linking words, but we will use some words which are really using right now, which words are really helping today's English spoken language. So what are the linking words? Linking words are those words which connect the sentences. Let me give me the example. What are the linking words and how they connect the sentences? Okay, when we use linking word, the sentence looks very nice. When we do not use the linking word, sentence does not look good, because if we use linking words, so it makes sense. Like which kind of sentences are you using? Let me give me example. Like if I say without linking word sentence that I like coffee, I like tea. अब यहाँ पर linking word नहीं है, there is no linking word here. But if I use linking word here, so what will I say? I like coffee and I also like tea. So here also is a linking word. If I give example of other, like if I give you more examples, like with linking word, I like coffee, furthermore I enjoy tea. I like coffee or furthermore I enjoy tea. And some are the examples on cause and effect. Okay, we also use linking words on the effects. Okay, if I say without linking word, he studied hard, he passed the exam. He studied hard and he passed the exam. If I use linking word here, he studied hard, so he passed the exam. So it means so is a linking word here. It means linking words are connecting two sentences. First is he studied hard, then he passed the exam. It means also, so so is connecting two sentences. What? He studied hard, so he passed the exam. If I tell you the linking words on the example of time, so what we can say without linking word, we went to the store, we bought groceries, we went home. So this is a normal sentence. If I say with linking word, first we went to the store, then we bought groceries, finally we went to home. So this is called how we can use linking word. If I say sense, on sense, if I am not using linking word, so it is not making sense, any kind of sense. Like if I say you one sentence, or like without linking word, many fruits are healthy. Okay, apples are one. Without linking word, it is not making sense, any kind of sense. If I use with the linking word, many fruits are healthy, for example apples. So here, like for example is the linking word. If I say with linking word, so many we can also use other linking word here, like many fruits are healthy, such as apples. So such as is a what? Linking word here. So I think you must know about linking words. I think this video is helping you a lot. So this is called linking words. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share, and I will meet you with new topic in the new video. Bye bye, see you later.